Don't get bogged down in browser tabs with these tips. Do you often find yourself drowning in a sea of browser tabs? Today, I'll show you how to manage multiple browser tabs efficiently to boost your productivity. Keep in mind, we're talking about most modern internet browsers. I'll be demonstrating with Chrome in this video, but other browsers like Safari, Firefox, and Edge will all be able to handle these tips. So to start, let's talk about tab groups. Simply right-click on a tab, select Add to New Group, and name it. You can even color code these groups for better organization. This keeps related tabs together, making it easier to find what you need. Next, we have pinning tabs. Do you have tabs you use all the time? Right-click and select Pin. Pin tabs are smaller and stay fixed to the left, preventing accidental closure. It's perfect for your email or project management tools. If you have any important sites you'd like to return to, don't forget to bookmark those tabs. Just click the star icon or press Ctrl+D or Command+D on Mac. You can also organize your bookmarks into folders for even easier access. This helps declutter your tab bar and saves resources. Want to speed up navigation? Learn keyboard shortcuts. Press Ctrl+T or Command+T on Mac to open up a new tab, Ctrl+W or Command+W to close a tab, and Control-Tab or Control-Shift-Tab to switch between tabs. These shortcuts save time and make you more efficient. Another useful tab tip is to save your browser session. This will keep your tab arrangement how it was when you start your next session. Each browser has its own way of saving your session. For Chrome and Edge, you'll need to install a third-party extension like Session Buddy to save and manage sessions. Firefox and Safari, on the other hand, have a built-in feature for saving your session. For Firefox, simply use the Restore Previous Session feature when you open the browser. Similarly, Safari uses Reopen All Windows from last session found in the History panel. To really take your tab management to the next level, consider using browser extensions. These advanced tools can help you organize, save, and manage your tabs efficiently. One tab converts all your tabs into a simple list, freeing up memory and reducing clutter. You can restore them individually or all at once when needed. And lastly, if you don't want to use any fancy browser extensions, make it a habit to regularly close unneeded tabs. Periodically review your open tabs and close those you no longer need. This keeps your tab bar manageable, saves computer resources, and reduces mental clutter. And that's it! By applying these tips, you can keep your browsing organized and boost your productivity. I'm David with Skill Sprints.